Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a possible setting to fix your computer randomly shutting off on you because it's overheating. So just go to search and type in power and choose a power plan. And then we can choose one under here. If you have the option for power saving, that's going to reduce heat on your system. But I only have the option for balanced recommended. I can go to change plan settings right here and then go to change advanced power settings. And this little box will open up. And then let's go on over to it, and we want to go on down to processor power management. And we can just reduce this from 100% to like 96%, 97%, around there. So your CPU will never reach 100% performance. So usually when it gets 100%, your computer is going to get super loud. Your fans are going to kick in, and that could cause some stress and eventually could cause a shutdown due to overheating. So look at this at least one setting to maybe change around, change this to like 96% or something like that, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this one does indeed help you guys out. Otherwise, go ahead and look at some other videos about maybe putting some more thermal paste on it or some sort of other setting. If you do have an older computer, make sure you are putting on more thermal paste that is new if it's like 6 or 7 years old. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up.